wake up, I'll be gone. Until then, I'll hold on like a cowboy. Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. This is Blaze Guitar Lessons. Please hit like and subscribe, and let me know if you guys have other requests and songs you want to learn, and I'll get to them as soon as I can. This song's pretty dang easy to play. Basically 2 chords throughout the song. There's a third one that you will throw in a little bit, but and you can use basically the same strumming pattern throughout the song. So I'm going to show you where the chords go, and the strumming pattern and everything. So stick with me through the whole song until the end. It should be a pretty short video. Okay, so let's do it. So the chords you're going to use for the song, the main ones you're going to use are C and F. Okay. Okay. So C and F. Now you are also going to use A minor a little bit as well. All right. So I'm going to show you where these chords go. So for the intro, you're just going to do C and F. This is how like 90% of the song is. It's just C and F. Okay. So now the strumming pattern for that is what I was just doing. It's just down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. So just down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down. So you're doing like a louder down at that first one. It's like down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay. Now, especially for the intro, I would do that in the chorus. But for the verses, I would play it softer for sure. So you could do down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. You could also just play the G, B, and little E strings too. You could do down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down. So you could just play the G, B, and E strings as well during the verses. Okay, so for the intro, you're just going to do C and F, and you're going to do that twice with no lyrics. So just C, F, C, F with no lyrics, okay? And when you do the verse, you're just going to do that same thing. You're just going to stick with C, F. So you're going to do every time I fall, I get back up again. So on up, you're going to do F, up again. Cinch my saddle. So cinch my saddle is where you're going to do C. Cinch my saddle up and find me another. Another is F. Another wind. Let is C. Let it take me where it wants. Let it take me where it wants. Wants is F. Wants to go. Another. So another is C or another one. Another one is C. Another one horse town. Another damned old rodeo. Okay, so when you do rodeo, you're going to do old rodeo, you're going to do F. All right, what you're going to do here is, so for the last part of it, you're just going to stay on F for the last like 2 parts of the chorus. So you can do, or sorry, of the verse. So you're doing F. I know this life is crazy, but baby, but I'll be home soon, baby. And then you're going to get louder on this last line. But I'll be home soon, baby. Okay, then you go on the chorus, you're just going to go right in, you're going to do C, and you're going to do it louder here. I'll ride in on a sunny day, sing you a song, steal your heart away like a cowboy. So you're just doing C and F still. Alright, so you're doing I'll is C. I'll ride in on a sunny day. Sing is F. Sing you a song, steal your heart away like a cowboy. So when you start cowboy, you're gonna do C, all right? Cowboy, F. Hang is C. Hang my hat like I'm here for a while. Kick off, all right? Off is where you're gonna do F. Off my boots and drive you wild like a cow. So when you do like a cowboy, it's the same thing every time. So C is at the beginning of cowboy. Cowboy, cowboy, F. Then here's where you do A minor, okay? Well, baby, so well, baby is A minor. Well, baby, you know now, I can't stay long. Okay, so after long, you're gonna do F. You wake up, I'll be gone. Then you do A minor after gone, gone. Until then, I'll hold on. So on is F. On, like a cowboy. So you do that like a cowboy, you just do C and then F. Cowboy. Okay, and then the second verse is the same as the first one. The second chorus is the same as the first one. And then after the second chorus, so all you're gonna do is, for the instrumental part, you're just gonna play C, and then you're gonna play F. Okay? And then when you do that last chorus, you're just gonna do the same as you did for the other choruses. So you're just gonna do C, alright on a Sunday. Okay? You're just gonna play it the same as you did before. So it's basically how you play the whole song. Let me know if you guys have any questions or anything. Thanks for watching. It's been fun. I'll see you next time.